What's going on, y'all? Today's video we're going to be working on this 2001 Honda Rancher. Belongs to my wife's uncle. This is I guess a parting gift for them there. So this four-wheeler he used to use back whenever he hunted and had a lease. Hadn't had that in years, so four-wheeler's just sat. He didn't want to get rid of it, but he wasn't using it either, so it's sat out, hasn't been run. That being said, I wanted to get it running for them because where they're moving to, they're going to have 10 acres, a couple of fish ponds, a barn, that sort of thing, and this would be nice for him to be able to get around on. So, without further ado, let's get into this thing. Alright, this particular Honda Rancher is an ES model, meaning electric shift. Ah, Jesus Christ, there's a black snake living in there. He got me. Maybe that's on camera. Scoot, son. I'm just glad it wasn't poisonous. Okay, see right here, we should have fuel flowing out of that, which we don't. So I'm gonna shut off this petcock. Okay, so I did get the tank out. I want y'all to witness what comes out of this funkiness right here. Bound to be disgusting. Oh yeah. Lovely. Have a peek at that. I'd say it needed some work. Most definitely. I'm going to show you guys what was actually in there. That is nothing but what came out of the tank. It's disgusting. So, let's add a little bit of diesel fuel to it. See if we can wash that rascal out a little bit. Okay, so here's the deal. Number one, I'm not sponsored by Amazon. I do have Amazon affiliate links, and in this video, or in the description on this video, there will be some Amazon links to what you might ask. New carburetor for this four-wheeler. Here's why. You might be asking yourself, why don't you just rebuild it? Okie dokie. Yeah, I suppose I could. Here's the thing. My hourly rate costs more than one of these carburetors. What's that equate to? It would be foolish of me, since I'm donating my labor, to spend the time to rebuild this versus I'll just order a new one for $38. I remember not too long ago, these carburetors were 180 bucks. But out of sheer curiosity, I checked just to see what they were now instead of getting into this one. And yeah, so we got another one coming. But I wanted to show you guys what ethanol gas does to the inside of a carburetor when it sits up. There's ethanol gas. Right there. And I wish we had smell-o-vision like 4D so you could smell that funk. That I didn't have camera going. So, just going now. Okay. We're gonna let it run for a few minutes, make sure we don't have any leaks anywhere. Got a little bit of smoke, but I think that's because there's diesel in the gas, a little bit. Alright, so that's gonna wind us up on the Honda Rancher. It's done, it's riding, everything's good on it. If you like our channel, like our content, please remember, rate, comment, subscribe, click the little bell down there so you get the notifications when we put something new out, and just remember, you're gonna get that on them big jobs. See you.